Aconitum napellus, its common name is monk shoot. Great fear for crowd, narrow places, crossing the street, earthquake, and the future. Anxiety at a peak. Highly marked anxiety, fear, and worry are present with every illness. Anxiety from the company during fever, pain at night, worries and fears. Fear of a death with a feeling that he will die and tell the time of his death. Extreme fear of death during pregnancy and labor, with the prediction of the time. Fear of crowd crossing the street, of earthquake, of future, of narrow places. With fear he yells, distressed, moan, and bite nails, and want to die. Marked nervousness is found especially after a fright. He is afraid of ghosts, dark, afraid to go out of the house, etc. Extreme mental and physical restlessness is a characteristic of aconite. Pains and music are unbearable. Pain makes him crazy and music makes him sad. Delirium feels as if what had just done was a dream. Guiding symptoms: dryness, heat, and severe pains of sticking and tearing types. Symptoms develop sudden in onset, like a storm for a short duration of a time. And next, skin is dry and heated with unquenchable thirst for large quantity of cool water. It is indicated in high-grade fever, so it should never be used in cases of typhoid fever and malarial fever. It prevented rheumatic and intermittent fevers when continuous chillness is felt. Gastric fever with bad taste, yellow-coated tongue and diarrhea with the undigested material is treated with aconite, and it is a best prescription. Feverish condition in aconite, half face is red and half face is pale in color. In erysipelas and meningitis with high-grade fever. It also acts well in skin inflammatory disorder, mental agitation with fever, fear of impending disaster with melancholia. Patient throat is dry, red and constricted, burning and cutting pains in intestine, vomiting, fear, heat and profuse sweat with intense thirst for cool water is present, ameliorated by ice drains. Stool are of pure blood, grass green colored or like a chopped herb or white. Modalities: aggravation by cold or very chilled, smoking during discharges like menstruation, sun exposure, music, emotions and residing from the bed. And amelioration by open air, warm sweating and sitting on affected site. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment.